What's up, everybody? I know it's been quite a minute since I made another video, but I've been hard at work making my own rocket fuel. KNO3 plus sugar. Filled it up at that end. Here's the end that'll burn. This has the exact same propellant in it that I've been test burning with little slugs. I've decided to go ahead and call this the kibble fuel because it honestly does look like dog kibble. Probably because of the burnt sugar, but here it is. I had an old F15.8 motor that I had used a while back, and I hollowed it out the best I could to get all the junk out, and then I cooked up some basically rocket candy, and then I poured it in the top. This is where the actual plug is for the original motor, but I don't know why it seeped out like that. That's okay though. But yeah, I'll be lighting this end, and then we'll be doing basically just a test burn to see how good this works. I have another F motor that's been used, and it's ready for more a refill of my stuff. So once this one does a ground test burn, then I think I'll make the other F casing motor that I have with the same stuff, and I'll put it in the BT-80 rocket, and we'll see how high the BT-80 goes. I do have ejection charge powder to put in here, so for this one we'll just do a test burn, no ejection charge. In the next one with the rocket, I'll put the ejection charge in here. So that's what I've been up to, and I look forward to giving you more updates.